Okay, everyone, this is going to be my last video for the semester. And once you're done with this lesson today, I'm just going to simply ask you to email me your drawing file, and hopefully you'll have all these things we've done. So today what I want to do is I want to create what's called a profile. And the profile is a combination of the alignment, which we already have here, and we did that last time. And we're combining that alignment with this surface that we created previously, and the marriage of the alignment and the surface will create a profile. So this is pretty simple, really. Let's just I'm in my home tab here, and in my create design palette there is I'm sorry here in the create design palette we're looking for profile right here. Okay, so let's left click on profile and say create surface profile. So we're going to select that. Now we only have one alignment, so right now that should be the alignment that you see here, and we only have one surface. So I called my alignment 1. The surface is our existing ground surface. And then you can see here, here's the starting station, 10 plus 0, 0. The ending station is 16 plus 15.14. So that means the length of the alignment is 615.14 feet. Okay, so this is pretty simple. This is our alignment, this is our surface, and we're going to click the button that says add. Okay. Now we're going to go to draw in profile view here. I click on that button. Now a lot of these things that come up here, all these different dialog boxes, I'm going to be able to just kind of skip through. Where it says profile view style, I'd like you to choose, if it's not already there, choose major grids and HGP, which stands for horizontal geometry points. So let's choose that, and let's just hit next. So the station range is all set up. We can just hit next here. That's starting 10 plus 0, 0, ending at 16 plus 15.14. The profile view height, I'd like you to choose user specified here. And you can see that throughout that alignment, or the maximum or the minimum elevation is going to be 601.70, and the maximum is 633.72. So I'm going to say down here, I'm going to just type in, for the profile view height, I'm going to type in 600. And then over here you can see the maximum elevation is 633, so I'm going to type 640. Whoops. Okay, we don't need to change anything else, so let's just hit next. Hit next here. Hit next here. And then hit create profile view. Okay, so I'm just looking for somewhere in my drawing where there's a kind of a blank area, and this is going to be the bottom left corner of my profile. So I'm just going to do a single tap right here. And you see now I've got my profile. So like I said, on the vertical axis here, you've got elevation. And on the horizontal axis, you'll have stationing. So here's station 13 plus 0, 0. Now, there's not a lot going on here. It's downhill pretty much everywhere. But at somewhere around, you can see here, this is the only unusual part of our profile. This is at about station, what? Somewhere around 11 plus 70 or something like that. And of course, if we go back over here and we look, here's station 11 plus 15. This tick mark would be 11 plus 50. So that's representing that hole. Our alignment intentionally went right through that hole that was dug out by the excavator. And of course, it should show up in our profile, which it does. Okay, so this is existing ground surface represented as a profile. And typically in civil engineering design, we're going to have to come up with kind of a design profile as well. And so I just wanted to spend a few minutes to show you how to do that. I think I'll do that in the next video. So see if you can get this drawn in. It's pretty simple. We're just taking our alignment and our surface, and the combination of those two gives us a profile. Now remember that this red line here that represents the elevation at any particular station, that is only at the alignment center line. So we'll have to kind of keep that in mind. But see if you can get this done, and then I think I'll try and send out one more video where we'll create a proposed bike path centerline profile as well. Okay, good.